Hello everyone, this is Nicole, your mobile bloggess for toctown.com. Just wanted to come by real quick and share with you a preview about my new insert for 2019, which is actually 2018, which I'm going to work through it, but this is going to be for my 10,000 hours. But I just thought I'd share with you a thing that I found out. This is my personal size planner, and these are the inserts from Paper Penguin Co. But this is a Hobonichi Weeks. So just to show you, the size on the side actually don't stick out, which is perfect. But at the top, good thing I prefer a top tab, it sticks out. I will be using this on the go and also to shape and mold this planner into, something that fits firmly in my hand so that when I pick it up, it gives it weight, and also to track the actual date that I'm on along with the day. Sometimes when you're using an undated insert, you kind of get tired of just filling it out week by week. I wanted one that was pre-printed. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you how I'm using my paper planner as I go around town on a local level. Got any questions? Leave them in the comment section down below. Take care.